The third rule for, or the third job for a silent E at the end of a word has to do with these two letters. These two letters do not like to be at the end of a word in the English language. So for example, we have a lot of words that are found in sight words, and they have, sorry, I can't talk and write at the same time. They have a sneaky silent E at the end after a V. And the reason for that is back when scribes were writing our language and they wrote in cursive, they noticed that the V had a bridge to nowhere, and we don't see that in nature, so we often have to anchor it back down. And they did that by writing a silent E, and that has stuck. For the U is similar in the sense that we add an E after it, just like in a lot of common sight words. The thing you just need to remember is he is there just because U does not like to be at the end of English words.